These again, Dorothy. Girl, the people man and let's make the right ambition. I tell you, free baby, get a chance to be better. Go with job, tell your love, yeah, it is a pity. You already have a wife, and they don't have a man in their life. Good boy, it is a pity. It is such a pity. You